Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FENG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here, whoops, let's try that again. Grab the wrong annotation tool. There we go. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only was today very, very solid from a price movement perspective, but yeah, then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would consider, the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $5.35. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below that area, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area down here around $5. So $5.35 and then $5 are going to be the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 535 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, when the price stays up, if the price can stay up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's essentially right up here where the party stopped at $5.70. So 570, public enemy number one. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, in specific, just keeps on building these higher bases, then the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. So I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter, because they do, but they really don't, because if the price keeps on building higher lows, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those higher lows and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.